Paprika or chili powder? A spicy kitchen conundrum.
Hello, spice lovers! Today, we're discussing a burning question. Can paprika be used as a substitute for chili powder in recipes? It's a query that has puzzled many cooks at one time or another, especially when a recipe calls for chili powder and all you have in the cupboard is paprika. Let's dive into the spicy details.
What is paprika?
Paprika is a ground spice made from a variety of peppers in the capsicum annuum family. It originates from Central America but is most commonly associated with Hungarian cuisine. Paprika can range from mild and sweet to fiery hot, depending on the variety of peppers used. The most common types are sweet paprika, hot paprika, and smoked paprika.
What is chili powder?
Chili powder, on the other hand, is a blend of spices, including ground chili peppers, plus other ingredients like cumin, oregano, and garlic powder. The heat level can vary depending on the types of chilies used and the proportions of the other spices. In general, it provides a complex, layered flavor that is both spicy and aromatic.
Can paprika substitute for chili powder?
Yes, paprika can be used as a substitute for chili powder, but with some caveats. Paprika is milder and less complex than chili powder. It can provide the red color and some of the heat that chili powder would, but it may not deliver the depth of flavor you're expecting from chili powder, as it lacks the other spices included in that blend.
How to substitute paprika for chili powder?
If you're in a pinch and need to substitute paprika for chili powder, here's a simple trick. Combine your paprika with other spices like ground cumin, garlic powder, and oregano to mimic the flavors of chili powder. The ratio will depend on your taste, but a good starting point is 2 parts paprika to 1 part each of the other spices. Remember, it's always easier to add more spices later than to fix a dish that's overly seasoned. In conclusion, paprika can indeed substitute for chili powder in recipes. However, it's worth noting that the flavors won't be an exact match, so expect a slight variation in taste. Next time you find yourself in a spicy predicament, don't sweat it, just get creative with your spice rack. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, the magic of cooking lies in experimenting. Until next time, keep those taste buds tingling.